In this video, I want to show you how to replace your EGR pressure sensor, and it's located underneath this cover, so we'll have to get it off. To get this cover off, you'll need an 8mm socket. There are 2 bolts on this side, and then there's one on the passenger side. And the cover lifts right up, and this is what we're after. I removed these 2 hoses here so I can show you better. You do not have to remove those, but otherwise the camera can't really see what I'm doing. So the first thing I want to do is unplug the vacuum hoses, and I'm going to remember which one goes where because it's important. Okay, take that one off as well. Unplug the electrical connector, and now there are 2 8mm nuts that we need to unbolt. There's one, the other one's all the way back here. Now you can take this off, and there it is. Take the new one, slide it on the 2 studs, just like that. Let's bolt it up. Don't tighten it too much, they're very small. Plug it in, make sure it clicks. Take the rear hose and connect it. That one actually has a slightly larger diameter than this one, so that'll make it even less difficult to confuse. And plug in this hose up front. I put these 2 lines back. Again, you do not have to take them out. Put the engine cover back on, line up the bolt holes, start in the bolts, and tighten them all up. And there you have it. Now turn on your engine, make sure you have no check engine lights, and everything works as it should.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.